today on this beautiful day, we are organizing, the Goan Association UK is organizing a veterans football tournament. And the theme of Goan Association UK has always been around community, around care, and around celebration. Around the community, it is good to see that the entire football fraternity is here. Around care, we've had a medical camp, and around celebration is celebrating the entire players and the association. Ravi, if you want to maybe say something around this tournament, the feel that you're getting, and then we'll talk about it with Frankie.
Yeah, the feel is actually going back in those days when all these players who have been on their prime have now come to the football pitch not only to showcase their talent, but also to inspire the young, the kids, in terms of taking up to sports, and especially today in football. And here we have the person behind a lot of this have make it happen, and I'll let him speak about all the work that he's been doing with the children, so that tomorrow they may be one of the top players of today.
Thank you.
Over to you.
Regarding tournament, this tournament is for 50 plus, and we have all who played India, who played Goa, who played Santosh Trophy, who played Goan League from grassroots to top professional, and all professional clubs are happy with this player. They have get a name for the club. First of all, this is the thing. And my motto is, we have a small team over, boys team over here. My motto is to play for the big club in Europe, in any part of the Europe. I want my goal player should be reached there. And we need people support, we need entire community should support, and the parents should be support, and the boys also. Cheers, cheers Goa.
Yeah, I'm already in the picture.
야래 가을이 밟아서 있다.
मोदी कोण आहेत रे मानो अरे लिस्टन ते सारे मोदी कोण आहेत रे
इसका मार्ग बैठा नाही रे
आता जाऊ ना प्रीतम
Go, go, go!